I have Gargi Arya for every one of us today, the founder of Quantum Leadership Academy, and a life and a business coach.
How is the Josh, everyone? I didn't get your voice. How is the Josh? Can I expect a louder voice from all of you? How is the Josh? Superb. Can you all repeat this after me? Hi, sir. Once again, hi, sir. So how many of you are enjoying the event, by the way? Just say yes I was about to say just write yes in the chat box. So how are you feeling right now? How is the event going for all of you? Energetic? Superb. Thank you so much. So how many of you are ready to learn from a young mind in the next 15 minutes? Can I expect a raise of hand? Or do you think that I cannot teach you anything? Great. Thank you so much. So how many of you here, I know this that all of you are brands over here, all of you have been building your own businesses, but you know how many of you, because I work with people like you, the one limiting belief that everybody has is, you know, social media is too technical for me. Anybody like that who feels, you know, sometimes when I meet people, they are doing so great in their offline world, but when I go on Instagram and search for them, there is nothing. Anybody who has ever experienced this? How many of you have gone through this stage or are going through this stage in your business where you are building everything offline but there is nothing online? Just raise your hand, everyone. Great. So in the next 15 minutes, what I am going to train you on is Instagram optimization. Like, I am a life and a business coach. I'll come to my story a little later. We are going to dive deeper into how we can optimize your Instagram and how we can solve this question कि आज सुबह उठ के मैं क्या बनूँ, content क्या डालूँ, reel क्या डालूँ. Anybody like that who has ever experienced this? Superb. Can I expect a raise of hand? Superb. Thank you so much. So coming to, you know, the first thing which I want to start by acknowledging you, by appreciating you. Please take a moment and pat yourself on the back. Please take a moment and pat yourself, because I want to appreciate you that, you know, not everybody is interested in developing their life or developing their business. Only 5% of the world is actually working on themselves. How many of you would agree? So you should be proud that you are a part of that 5% club. And coming to the next part, few guidelines which I want to tell. First, have a pen and a paper, because I know you all are having it. You will have to take a lot of notes because I am going to talk a lot on the practical stuff. Second thing which I want from you is, please don't use your brain. Can you all do that for the next 10 to 15 minutes? Please don't use your brain, because I don't want you to come with that thought, I know everything. How many of you can do that? Just raise your hand. Great. And the last pointer is, have a lot of fun. I'm going to keep it very interactive, and just make sure that when I'm asking you something, you engage with me. Done? Is it a deal between all of us? Great. So coming to this question that I know this must be in your mind, that who is this young girl talking to me? You know, why am I here? What's my story? So is it okay if I can take 2 minutes of your time to dive deeper into my story, my journey? Just say yes. Yes. Thank you so much. So coming to my story, who am I? You know, this is what people know me on Instagram, or if you will search my name. My name is Gargi Arya. I'm India's youngest certified life and business coach. I, always had this thought that I want to become a doctor, engineer or teacher. Anybody like that who has always grown up with these 3 boring careers? Like, हमेशा से मुझे यही लगता था टीचर डॉक्टर ही बनना है. And you know, I went through a lot of certifications in angel card reading. I'm a certified life coach. I'm a certified NLP practitioner. I have a community of more than 200 paid members, which is called Quantum Leadership Academy. But this is not how I started. Thank you so much, everyone. This is not how I started. My face looked like this in 2020. How many of you can relate with me? You know, a lot of times people believe that young people don't go through mental health issues like depression. During 2020 COVID pandemic, I lost someone I loved, not because of death, but because of some clashes in my family. And I was just 13 when I went through depression. I knew I had my parents to help me. I knew I had my friends. But how many of you know that pain that, you just don't trust people? Anybody like that? I didn't trust anyone that I can share my pain with them. And that's when one day, I had this thought that I will give up on my life, and I actually wanted to kill myself. But the only thing that stopped me was there was an internal scream that came from inside. Gargi, you're not meant for this. Agar ek insan chhod ke chala gaya, that doesn't mean that your life has ended. How many of you can, relate with me? I became like a walking, talking zombie. Outside say I used to look happy, but inside I was completely broken. And that one day, one decision shifted my entire life, and that was I am going to take 100% responsibility, no matter whether bad happens, no matter whether good happens. And the day I started to believe that I am the only person who can make me happy, I stopped expecting from people. And I think Poonam ma'am also said that stop expecting from people, your life will become too happier. And I did the same, and in just 1 year, I went through this phase of getting trained under my mentors. I went, my parents have been a biggest support in my journey. My father is sitting over here. And this was the entire journey that I went through. You can take. So I've been on TEDx, I've been on Josh Talks recently. In May only I had my Josh Talks. And author Shari sir, thank you so much for the contribution that you have done. And I'm the founder of this community, Quantum Leadership Academy. More than 200 plus people professionally have been into this since last 3 years, but depression wise have been into last 4 to 5 years. And I am not here to impress you. I am just here to impress upon you that if I can do this, you can do it too. How many of you feel that you can do it? Thank you so much. And this is super. And this is just I had my own event at the age of 17 last year, QAPR, where all these members are my paid community members. And the only reason, again, I'm telling you, not to impress you, but to tell you that you can do it too. So let's come to the main part of Instagram optimization. How many of you are feeling a little bit more connected to me right now? Now that you know me, now that you know my story, can we dig deeper into the value part? Just say yes. Yes. Great. So let's start with the first thing, Instagram optimization. सबसे पहले when people follow you, what do you think they will see and follow you? Any guesses? Anyone? Photo, your profile photo. A lot of people, they have their profile photo that doesn't show their authority. How many of you, when it comes to social media, I used to be that person who casual kapdon mein video banane, how many of you have been through that journey, that it's just too difficult to show up on social media, pehle taiyar ho, fir makeup karo, fir eyeliner lagao, coat pehno and then jao. This used to be me, you can check my Instagram, आपको मेरी पहले की वीडियो सारी casual t-shirts में दिखेंगी. But the moment I understood, people will take me seriously when I take myself seriously. A lot of times I used to believe that people will not take me seriously because of my age. I went through a lot of rejections. A lot of people have rejected me. A lot of people have criticized me. A lot of people told college ki baat kar lena. By the way, I'm in the first year of my college, right? So I am in psychology honors. Thank you so much, everyone. So now coming to the first part, profile picture. Your profile picture should show your authority. Click your pictures in a way that builds authority. You can always, in a formal way, you can come up. Second thing which I want to show you when it comes to when it comes to Instagram, after your profile photo, the second thing that you need to show is your bio. Give them a reason to follow you. A lot of times I have seen this difficulty in my community as well. कि लोग कमेंट नहीं करते, लोग कॉल टू एक्शन फॉलो नहीं करते, लोग वेबिनार्स ज्वाइन नहीं करते. They don't join because they don't see a strong reason behind it. You know, your bio should be powerful enough to tell people what exactly do you do. Like I have written, I help coaches and trainers to scale their businesses to 2 lakhs per month organically because I have done it. Right? So first line of your bio should build your authority. First line of your bio should be able to tell them why should they follow you. You know, like I don't want you to go general. Most of the times life coaches, right, I help you to manifest your dream life. It's a very vague statement. It's a very vague statement. People, you know, like if you are sick, if you have a teeth problem, you will go to a dentist, you will not go to some other kind of doctor. Similarly, it's very important to specialize in your niche. How many of you want to become rich? I am sure you are already rich, but how many of you want to go to the next level? If you want to go to the next level, you have to specialize. How many of you would agree? So, you know, specialization is very important. Second line of your bio should show your credibility. Now, I didn't have that statement, founder of QLA 200 plus when I started. I had skipped this line. I've been able to impact over 1,000 people in the last 3 years, but now I have the credibility not in the starting. So if you have a credibility, please show them on Instagram. The third thing, you know, the third line of your bio should be a call to action. If I go to any of your profile and अगर आपने मुझे बताया ही नहीं मुझे आगे कहाँ जाना है, you know, the only difference between an influencer and a business coach or a coach is a coach always has a funnel. How many of you know what is a funnel? Like the funnel to convert them into your clients. A funnel that not just leads them into your followers. So third them, call them into your webinar, call them into your one-to-one call. Are you all getting it? Understood everyone? Super. And the last part is, can you see that link? That is my call to action. Call to action to join my WhatsApp group. And my recommendation, please keep only one link on your Instagram bio. A lot of times people will get confused if they see an ocean of links. I can see Sherry sir smiling. Understood? Everyone getting it? Great. Now coming to the second part, can you see Gargi Arya? After my name, I've also written a positioning. Just see this. Gargi Arya, life and business mentor, alternative education expert. That shows what I do. You know, like don't write, a lot of times people don't write their positioning. In the first when author Sherry came up, he also said in order for you to become popular, what you need, the first thing is positioning. Understood? Clear everyone? If you all are learning something new, please raise your hand. Great. Can any one of you tell me what's a mini website on your profile? What's a mini website on your profile? Yes, highlights. The mini website on your profile is highlights. Can you see about me, find me, quick tips, testimonial, quotes? People should see all of this on your Instagram. Please, अगर आप ये सोचते हो अभी भी अगर आप ट्रेडिशनल वे में जा रहे हो मुझे वेबसाइट चाहिए, लैंडिंग पेज चाहिए, अगर आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे सब है, you don't need anything. How many of you are able to understand? Are you getting it? Just raise your hand. Yes.
I still date till date. I have Instagram which is private. I don't know why. There are 3,000 which are waiting to. I don't add them up. There is a fear of getting a negative publicity which we have to come out.
Yes.
Because I'm other LinkedIn and I'm happy about it.
Right.
And like a lot of people might have a private Instagram there. I'm right because certain people which I should be doing public.
Right. I'll be covering it in just a couple of minutes, right? No problem. So now coming to the Instagram optimization, please have the highlights of yours which show you events. Can you see events? I attend events, I post it online. Nobody will ever know you if you don't show them where you are. How many of you are able to understand? Just because we are a less of time, I'll be covering the content tips right now. So let's come to the content structure. How many of you wake up with this confusion in your mind that what should I post today? आज मैं किस बारे में बात करूँ? Anybody like that? Yes. Just raise your hand if you're like that, or if you're totally clear on your content, you can say, like you can raise your hand. Okay, super. Great. See, the first thing that when it comes to content, the only strategy I know to get viral is speak from your heart. How many of you would agree? Speak from your heart when it comes to getting viral. Like, there are so many strategies which I teach, but I know this one thing, agar aap scripted jaoge na, people will never be able to connect with you. The only formula I follow to get conversions is, once people are connected with me, they will automatically convert. You don't have to chase clients. Just make connection, people will come. Like, people will be influenced by your aura when they see that connection. How many of you are able to understand? So people love real and raw talks. The most cutest talk was of Poonam ma'am, because she was so real in her talk. Right? Why? Because we were able to connect with her. Why? Because she was speaking from her heart. Every speaker over here. Understanding everyone. Next pointer which I want to give you, be willing to experiment what works. Yes, there are strategies of static post dalo, आप ये post dalo, वो post dalo. Please be experimental enough. Like, allow yourself to experiment so that you can understand what is working according to your algorithm. Next pointer which I want to cover is be creative. There are many coaches, there are many life coaches, there are many business coaches. What will make me different? What will make me different? That's my creativity. That's the way of how I can, like, let's say for example, there are two life coaches. One life coach is also saying the same thing, another is also saying the same thing, but the A has got the most of the clients, B ke paas okay aate hain. Why? Because that person knows this strategy of being creative. Right? And coming to the pointer of negativity, not being able to get confident on camera, criticism, it's a part of every creator's journey. It's a part of success. SRKs, Shah Rukh Khan, celebrities like these, they get so many negative comments on their profile. How many of you would agree? But they don't give a damn to it. Why? Because they know what value they add.
And they have Z-security.
Yes. Exactly. Next pointer, few points, last pointer that I want to cover. Talk about the problems, educate your audience. Your profile should always have education plus entertainment. They should get edutainment, that not only you are posting about your work, but also about your fun, like how you enjoy, how you are as a person. Clear? And the last point which I want to leave you with is, don't let AI rule over your creativity. I know it's very easy. अभी मैं आपको बोलूँ 15 days का content calendar बनाओ, ChatGPT खुल जाता है. But I don't want you to go on ChatGPT, take ideas, but add your creativity, add your flavor, and see the magic. Thank you so much everyone for giving me this opportunity.